at this, guys. The Whittell building. Okay, this just might be the last ride of this on YouTube. Man, it sucks that these are getting modernized again. Are you having a good day? Yeah, guys, they're doing a lot of construction here. They're already starting to take apart the shaft in the lobby. I'll show that when we're about to end the video. We're gonna take a couple rides on this.
Doesn't work, but
How's this for an elevator?
this is a dope elevator. I like it. I like the cage.
Oh, sadly, they won't be like this much longer.
Yeah. Oh damn, that's some cables right here, right next to it.
Yeah. We gotta go one more time.
Okay.
I don't know how long these elevators are gonna last like this. I think these are the only high-rise bird-caged elevators in San Francisco. Three-speed door.
Sorry.
Did we close it on someone?
Yeah, she like tried to get it like very, very last minute.
There's the counterweight. Do you want to ride this one?
Mm-hmm.
We haven't ridden this one yet.
See how different.
Yep, okay. Might as well, right? Last ride on these. There's a reason why older elevators are better. Ooh, we are stopping for the first time. Second time. Anyone coming in?
Oh, you hear something? Sorry. No, it's all good. That's all good.
Ooh, there goes the other one. Wow, these are so cool.
Really old elevator.
Yeah, I heard that they're replacing them completely.
Yes, they are, unfortunately.
So what's the, like, are they still gonna be gated, or?
I'm not sure what the plan is going to be for that. But I don't want it though. I like it how it's
Yeah, I
open.
love this.
Yeah.
Oh man, it sucks. Just wanted to come here and get one more ride, you know? Hey, you have a good day. There you have it, guys. They're gonna be completely replaced.